Hello, so I woke up around 10 o'clock in the morning. Now it's almost 1, I think. And I'm here at my grandma's with my mom and some other people. Yeah. Later, I don't know what I'm
Sorry,
doing
I'm
later,
like
but
talked to my mom about school stuff and a lot of tears and yeah. Just crying because I really like what I'm doing here and I don't want to stop. But apparently my mom's trying to tell me that I don't know what she's trying to tell. This will go in my video blog. So yeah, having some fun here. At least some of the people does. Is that all? Introduce. Tagad pacel, ja kājas uz augšu un...
Давай, one more time.
Давай, saņemies. Okay. This is what happens if you can't afford a horse.
You get the sheep instead.
I see it. I see it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Two guys know me.
Vairāks priekš tur vēl paiet. Nu, to ar rokām, jā. Kaut kā tā. Jā. Vienīgi tagad man nebūtu.
Viss šitā. O, šitā.
Jā.
Un kā lāsma tiks augstā.
Es tagad izdomāšu. Turies. Pagaid, turies stipri ar rokām. 2.
Ah!
We're doing it! We're doing it! Okay, so didn't film much today, but like I learned how to stand on my head today. Found fun and I failed a lot. And we did some couples yoga with Gert and Agnes. There's yeah. Do it again. Okay, so yeah. Today I decided that I will stay with Agnes. So we are leaving in about 2 hours to go to the capital city, and I guess we need to buy something that we could drink. So we're like getting ready to go to the train station to go to the Riga. Yay! Getting ready and soon going out. Precies filmen. So I kind of forgot my wallet at home. And yeah, so we're standing here. Oh yeah, keep doing this. Keep doing this. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, it's so dark. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Smile to the camera. Smile to the camera. So, yeah, we're at the train and going to Riga now. What? Yeah.
Dus bespaart je snel. Minimaal.
Vad är spännande? Ja. Yeah. Just two normal people sitting in the train and doing faces. Miley style. Those saving. So yeah, we're at Riga. Yay. And we're going somewhere. I don't care because we are two. And where are we going exactly?
To Remy?
Yeah, store. Or Remy, it's like store or market. It's store, I think.
I don't know. Supermarket.
Because market is
Supermarket.
okay. Maybe yeah. Okay. So yeah, we're going to buy some booze. Okay.
Not too much.
Not too much, but yeah. Sitting here with this wonderful, wonderful pet. Yeah, Robis. Robbie.
Robin.
Robbie. Okay, so we're home. Home. Agnes is home, and yeah, we're just sitting and watching stuff. And
Iets
yeah.
weer, maar weer. Waar iets nou moet doen.
Sounds
Zodat
weird.
wat veranderen.
Yeah, we're just looking at some weird, disgusting tattoos. We like tattoos, but not those. So yeah. Say something, please.
No, thank you. Thank you, come again.
Okay. Yeah. So, what are we going to do now? Hmm?
Um, I don't know.
What you do know? What you do know?
I don't know.
Okay.
Just chilling.
Yeah, so we're going to chill for a while, and then we're going to do some stuff. Something like that. Yeah, we just had dinner. Yum yum yum.
Is this the last part?
I think so, yeah.
Say bye bye.
Yeah, I guess so. This is the last part of my video.
Bye bye.
And I see. I think I see. I think I see.
I think I see.
I think I see. But yeah, so see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Say bye.
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 That's like the Spanish key. Say it in Spanish.
Nah.
Chinese?
Zetian.
Spanish?
No.
Okay. Bye bye. Good night, everyone.
Good night, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite.
Yeah, exactly. The same thing she said. Bye.